OPPO Reno, and let me show you how to enable Kid Space on the following device. So at first you have to open the settings. Now scroll down, find and pick security. Now go to the bottom of the list, and here you will notice orange icon, which is Kid Space. And here you can select the duration allowed each time, so you can select time from 15 minutes to unrestricted time, so it can be also 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. Let me pick 30 minutes, so let me leave it as it is. Then let's pick apps allowed to be accessed. So you can pick, for example, YouTube and photos. You can obviously pick more or less of them, and then turn off mobile, so it is active. If you would like to still have mobile on, you can leave it this way, but I will turn them off. And now simply click on Enter Kid Space. So as you can see, main features of Kid Space are prevention of loss of phone credit, prohibit system modification, and also addiction prevention. So let me enter Kid Space. And now you have to turn on lock screen passcode before entering Kid Space. So open passcode. Now enter the passcode that will be used once the Kid Space should be turned off. So let me enter it one more time to confirm. And now we are in Kid Space. As you can see, only those 2 apps that we allowed are available here. And then if you would like to quit it, you have to click on Quit Kid Space. And now you have to enter the lock screen. So it was 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, 9. So your child will not be able to go back to the standard mode with all apps available. So that's it. This is how you can activate Kid Space. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.